What are the consequences of that? So attention and ability to focus is obviously key to success in school, success in relationships, success in the workplace, and success in life. We could probably even go so far as to say one's ability to succeed in anything is proportional to one's ability to focus and then deliberately defocus when the time comes to defocus, right? Because we all need rest and we need to disengage and then re-engage. If you look at the sum total of the meta-analyses and the clinical data on ADHD and nutrition, you arrive at a pretty clear answer, which is that sugar consumption, in particular highly refined sugars, is just not good for people with ADHD or with attentional issues. Now, as I say that, I also want you to recall the earlier study that I referred to, whereby the tuning of neurons in the brain is highly dependent on glucose. So this doesn't mean consuming no glucose is going to be a good idea. It doesn't mean that the ketogenic diet is necessarily the best diet for ADHD, although there are some people pursuing that and exploring that. And we'll do yet another episode on ADHD at some point that goes a little bit deeper into that because there's some new data. I did do a very long and fairly extensive episode on ADHD. You're welcome to look that up if you like in our archive. In our archive at hubermanlab.com. It's all time-stamped. So, because a number of people said, it's an episode on ADHD and you made it 2.5 hours long. Yes, we did, because we wanted it to be as comprehensive as we could at the time. But it is time-stamped, so you can just jump to the particular topics of interest in their short little cassettes there. Now, if you'd like to know upon what I'm basing this statement that sugar consumption and highly refined sugar consumption is potentially bad for ADHD, I'm basing this mainly on the conclusions of a really nice paper. The title of the paper is Sugar Consumption, Sugar Sweetened